Okay students, let's see the continuity of solubility and solubility product. Okay, yesterday we discussed about solubility. Okay, so now come to solubility product. Solubility product. So solubility product, that is KSP, is defined as the product of molar concentration of cation and anion in a saturated solution of sparingly soluble salt. At room temperature or given temperature. Is called solubility product. Is called solubility product, KSP. Okay. It is a solubility constant also. Let's see the example. AgCl, which is solid, dissolved in water, it is a equilibrium Ag plus Cl minus 1. Is it clear? Now the equilibrium constant here, KSP, equilibrium constant KSP is equals Ag plus, what is the coefficient? 1, write as power, Cl minus, what is the coefficient? 1. Is it clear? This is the solubility product. So for this one it is constant, for solid no need to write here. Okay, remember this. So this is about solubility product constant or solubility of a salt. Now here AgCl is sparingly soluble salt. Sparingly soluble salt. Is it clear, all of you, everyone? Is there any doubt up to? Okay. So for solid molar concentration is 1. It is also pure liquid. For this one is also 1. Now example 2. CaF2, when dissolved in water, it gives Ca plus 2 plus 2F minus. Listen carefully. Crisscross method. What is crisscross method? Now this is the oxidation state of calcium amorate. Listen carefully. CaF2. Okay. This is the oxidation state of calcium. So Ca plus 2. Now what is here? The subscript is 1. Now 1 is the oxidation state of fluorine. 1 is the oxidation state of fluorine. 2 is the oxidation state of calcium. According to crisscross method, these are the superscript. Exchange their superscript as subscript as superscripts. Listen carefully. Now 2 is the oxidation state of calcium. 1 is the oxidation state of 1. Okay. Now fluorine has minus, it is plus 2, am I right? Now how many calciums here we have? 1. How many fluorine have we have? 2 fluorines. Is it clear how to write? CaF2 plus H2O. Ca plus 2 to F minus. Exchange the subscript as superscripts of Ca and F. Okay. So exchange like this. How many calcium here we have? 1. So 1 into Ca plus 2. How many fluorines? 2. 2 into F minus 1. Okay. Now write its solubility product expression for the above. Ksp is equals to how much? Molar concentration of Ca plus 2. What is the coefficient? 1 into molar concentration of F minus. What is the coefficient? 2. Clear? F minus 2. This is the expression. Why it is solid and here it is liquid. Is it clear? Now for this one, Ag2 CrO4 silver chromate. So example 3. Now write, when dissolved in water, it is solid, it is purely liquid. Okay. Now what about this one? Ag2CrO4. Ag2CrO4. CrO4. This is 4 at oxygen only. Okay. This means what is here? 1. Ag2CrO4. CrO4 is one component. Ag2CrO4 1 means not 4. Remember this. Okay. Now this is 1. So now how many silvers we have? 2. 2 Ag. What is the oxygen state of Ag here? 1 plus CrO4. How many CrO4 here? We have 1. CrO4. Am I right? What is the oxygen state? Here 2 we have. So minus 2. Exchange this as oxidation states. Now these are aqueous. Am I right? Aqueous. Now write Ksp expression is Ksp is equals Ag2 CrO4 minus 2. Is it clear, all of you? How to write solubility product? Now write the first problem. Calculate the solubility expression for AgCl. AgCl. Solubility expression for AgCl. Solubility means S. So solution AgCl is given dissolved in water, which is pure liquid, is at equilibrium. Okay. Now it is Ag plus Cl minus. Okay. One more. Okay. Right. Add here, if solubility of AgCl is S and solubility product is Ksp. Okay. Now write the Ksp expression for it. Ksp is equals, before that, what is the given solubility of AgCl? S. 1 into S. For it is constant. Why? Because pure liquid. Okay. So it is constant solubility. Don't take it. And here 1 into S. Am I right? Here 1 into S. Given solubility S. So 1 into S, 1 into S are formed here. Okay. Now write KSP. KSP. Molar concentration of Az plus to the power 1 into molar concentration of Cl minus to the power 1. Now what is the value of Az plus concentration at equilibrium? S whole power 1 into Cl minus S whole power 1. S into S how much? S square, that is KSP, am I right? KSP. Units for S, mole for liter, mole for liter. S square means whole square. This is the unit for KSP, S square. So from this one, what is the value of S? S is equal to square root of KSP, am I right? KSP. S equals square root of KSP. Now this is the expression for solubility and solubility product of this problem. Okay. Suppose in the same problem, if solubility product of AgCl is 10 power minus 10, then calculate solubility of AgCl. That is the question. So here given solubility, am I right? Given solubility product of AgCl, how much it is? KSP is equals 10 power minus 10. Is it clear? Then what is the solubility? Solubility S is equals, we know the relation. In this case, S is equals square root of KSP, am I right? That is equals square root of KSP. How much it is? 10 power minus 10. That is equals to how much? 10 power minus 10 whole power 1 by 2. That is equals to how much? 10 power minus 5 mole per liter. What are the units for solubility? Mole per liter. Clear? That is the answer. Clear all of you? Next, write one more question. In that only, if solubility of AgCl is 10 power minus 6 mole per liter, how much it is? 10 power minus 6 mole per liter. Clear? Up to? Calculate its solubility product. Okay. Now what is the relation? Solubility product KSP or S is equals here square root of KSP, am I right? He given KSP value, how much it is? Not 10 power minus 6 is given. For S value given 10 power minus 6 is given. That is KSP. So from this one, what is the value of KSP? 10 power minus 6 whole square, am I right? 10 power minus 6 whole square. That is equals to how much? 10 power minus 12. Clear? Squaring on both sides. What happened? Simple. S square is equals S square equals square root of K. S square equals KSP, am I right? So what is the given value of S? 10 power minus 6 whole square, that is KSP, that is 10 power minus 12. Is it clear, all of you? Everyone? Is there any doubt? Can I rough this? And next see second question. Solubility product of CaF2 is KSP and its solubility is S. Then derive the relation. Derive the relation between KSP and S. Here options are KSP is equals 4S cube. Option B is equals KSP is equals S square. Option C is equals KSP is equals S cube. S cube. Option D is equals 4S power 4. Okay. So now which one is correct? Take the equation. Given salt is CaF2, am I right? Which is solid clearly. Add in water. Equilibrium. We have equilibrium constant KSP, that is solubility product. So how it is ionized? Ca plus 2F minus, am I right? Exchange there. Plus 2 minus 1. Okay, we have 2 fluorines. Now this is pure liquid, this is aqueous and this is aqueous. What is the given solubility? S. No need to write. Here it is S. Why? Because 1 into S. Here 2 into S. How much? 2S. Am I right? So 1 into S given in that S. So here 1 into S. Here 2 into S. Suppose 3 into S. Remember this. Clear? Now write the KSP expression, that is molar concentration of Ca plus 2 to the power 1 coefficient, F minus to the power 2, solid and water, no need to write. Now keep these values. What is the value of Ca plus 2 at equilibrium? S. So S power 1. What about F minus? That is 2S whole square, am I right? That is equals, how much it is? 2 square means 4. S power 1 into S power 2, that is equals to 4 into S cube, am I right? So KSP equals to how much, ma? KSP equals to how much? 4S cube. This is the correct. Now from that what? We have the expression S cube equals to how much? S cube equals KSP by 4, am I right? Clear everyone? And S equals to how much? Third root of KSP by 4, am I right? Clear? Third root, not square root. Okay? Clear all of you? Up to? And next. Write the question. Solubility of CF2 is 1 into 10 power minus 2 mole per liter. Then calculate solubility product. Solubility product. So what is the relation in case of CaF2? Solubility product Ksp is equals 4 into S cube, am I right? 4 into what is the given value of SCH solubility is given? That is 1 into 10 power minus 2. That is equals to 4 into whole cube. 1 cube means 1, 10 power minus 2. Whole cube means how much it is? 4 into 10 power minus 6. Is it clear, all of you? So this is Ksp. It's clear, ma? In the AgCl we have 4 S square. In CF2 we have 4 S cube. Solubility product values and formulas are changed or not? Changed here. So we have the concept in JEE mains. Okay. So let's see how it is become easy to you. Is it clear up to? Let's see. Relation between solubility and solubility product. Solubility and solubility product. That means simply S and Ksp for any reaction. For any, not any, for a given reaction. For a given reaction. Very, very important. Let ApBq is the sparingly soluble salt. Sparingly soluble salt. Sparingly soluble salt. Not completely soluble in water. It makes some precipitation. Okay. Are you following or not? Just wait. For AgCl, it is different expression, am I right? For CaF2 we have different expression. Okay, 4s cube in case of CaF2, but in case of AgCl it is s square Ksp. Suppose if is there any other molecule, it is difficult to remember, am I right? So we have short trick here. Listen carefully, very easy. Let ApBq is the sparingly solubility salt. These are the subscripts. So now ApBq dissolved in water. Dissolved in water. Solid. This is liquid. Clear. So equilibrium exists between these two. Now what it gives? What it gives? First write A. How many A's here we have? P number. P. Now what is the oxygen state of A? Q. Q is the oxygen state of A. P is the oxygen state of B. So now Q. This is plus Q. Q is the oxygen state of A. Plus Q. Plus, come to B. How many B molecules here we have? Q. What is the oxidation state of B? P, am I right? P is the oxidation state of B. This means plus means this one becomes minus. Am I right? Clear? According to Kriss-Cross method, exchange the subscript. These are the subscript. Exchange the subscript as oxidation states. Okay? Clear up to everyone? Now this is 1 mole, this is P moles, this is Q moles. Now its solubility is S. Here it is P into S. Here it is Q into S. Why? Because these are the stoichiometric coefficients. P and Q are the stoichiometric coefficients. So multiply with the stoichiometric coefficient P into S, Q into S. Now write its solubility product Ksp is equals molar concentration of products, that is first one is A plus Q. What is the coefficient here? P, write as power, into molar concentration of B. What is the coefficient? Q. Okay, clear? Now what is the value of A plus Q at equilibrium? This is the value. Now P into S whole power P. What about this value? B power minus. That is Q into S whole power Q. Ksp. And from that, what is Ksp? Ksp is equals P power P into S power P, am I right? And Q power Q and S power Q, am I right? From this one P power P, Q power Q and S power P into S power Q. From this one P power P, Q power Q, A power M into A power N. Bases are equal, power should be added, am I right? So S power P plus Q, am I right? Clear? So now what it is? Ksp expression. Where P, Q are stoichiometric coefficients. Clear? Stoichiometric coefficient. S is solubility. Ksp means solubility product. Clear? Very, very important. important expression. Okay. Now from this one, what is the value of S? So S whole power P plus Q is equals KSP by P power P Q power Q. Am I right? Clear? From this one, S equals to how much? Square root of P plus Q nth root, P plus Q root, and KSP by P power P Q power Q. Am I right? Is it clear? From this, I need the value of S. Take this value as denominator here. KSP by P power P Q power Q. Now what is it? P plus Q power is there. So here we need S. So it is undergoes on right side. What happened? P plus Q root of KSP by P plus P power P Q power Q. Am I right? Clear? Is it clear all of you? That is the expression. Suppose maybe X plus Y. Suppose P is X, Q is Y, P X plus Y is equals to X power X, Y power Y. Okay? So very very important formula. This one is also. Clear up to everyone? You just remember that expression better. Now, for example, salt type, AB type, okay? Given salt is AB like type, okay? For this type of salt, which is called salt, okay? Now, how to write A plus B, which is called solid, and in water, how it is ionized? A plus B minus. What is the coefficient? 1, 1. Am I right? Clear? All of you? Now in this case, KSP is equals to how much? Follow this expression. P comma Q are the stoichiometric coefficients of ions. Here what is the stoichiometric coefficient? 1. What is the stoichiometric coefficient? 1. Am I right? Now these are the P and this one is called as Q. P power P means 1 power 1. Am I right? Q. Q power Q means 1 power 1. Am I right? Into S. P plus Q means 1 plus 1. That is equals to S square. Am I right? Therefore finally KSP equals to how much? S square. From this, what is the value of S square root of KSP? Am I right? Clear? Clear or not? The formula of KSP is equals to S square. Let's see the example. This type of salt AgCl. Am I right? Solid AB. Example for AB type. Clear? Now AgCl, it is called solid. In water, how it is ionized? Ag plus Cl minus. What is the coefficient? 1. Now what is the expression? KSP is equals to, coefficients are 1, 1. That means 1 power 1, 1 power 1. S whole power 1 plus 1. That is equals to S square. Therefore KSP is equals to, what is the formula for AgCl? Clear? So AgCl type, AB type molecule. Next, second type, AB2 type. AB2. Suppose CaF2. Am I right? AB2 or A2B also. A2B. For A2B, Ag2 CrO4. Am I right? A to this is 1. Remember this. A to B. This is A, this is B. A to B. Okay. Now, how it is ionized? Suppose Ab2 plus H2O. Ab2. How many A's here we have? A. What is the oxygen state of? Plus 2. Plus how many B here? We have 2. What is the coefficient here? 1. It is the oxygen state of B. Am I right? What are the stoichiometric coefficients? These two. Now, what about Ksp here? 1 power 1 plus 2 power, into 1 power 1, 2 power 2, s whole power 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, don't consider minus or plus, add powers, 1 plus 2, what is the 1? Here it is 2, 1 plus 2, P plus Q. Now it is 4, am I right? S cube, Ksp equals to how much? 4s cube. From this one, what is S? S equals Ksp by 4 cube root, am I right? Cube root, clear? Clear? Next, AB3 type or A3B type, both are same. So, in this case, AB3 plus H2O is simply write, here it is 1, am I right? So 1 into A plus, simply write, don't confuse. How many here? 3. B minus, simple, you can write, no need to write here 1 here plus 3, just remember. Here we have 3, so 3 into B minus 1, here 1 into A plus. Okay, how many B items here we have? 3. This is minus, this is plus. Here how much here? 1. Write as coefficient. Now Ksp means, what are the coefficient? 1. This P, this is Q, am I right? Therefore, 1 power 1, 3 power 3, S whole power 1 plus 3. Am I right? Clear up to? Now from this one, how much this value? 3 cube means 27. 27. 1 plus 3, that is S power 4, am I right? Ksp equals to how much? S power 4. From this one, S power 4 how much? S power 4. From this, S power 4 is equals, or S is equals Ksp by 27 fourth root, am I right? Fourth root. Next come to A2B3, A2B3 or A3B2 also, or A3B2. So now what is the given salt? A2B3, am I right? So dissolved in water. How many A's are here? We have 2. So write 2A plus. How many B's here we have? 3. B minus 1. What is P here? 2. What is Q? 3. Clear? Here it is P and suppose P. This is Q. This is P. This is Q. Okay? Assume like that. Now from this one, Ksp equals to how much? Ksp equals 2 power 2 into 3 power 3 into S whole power 2 plus 3. Am I right? 2 plus 3. That means 2 power 2 means 4 into 27 S power 5. Am I right? 4 into 27, 108. So that is 108 into S power 5. Am I right? Ksp clearly. Is it clear, all of you? From this one, what is the value of S? Ksp by 108 fifth root of, clear up to? Is it clear up to AB, AB2, AB3 or A2B3? Okay. Now you have an idea. If we given any kind of molecule, you can follow this kind of expression. These are the short tricks. These formulas are very, very important. Direct bits we have in JEE. Okay. AB, AB2, AB3, A2B3. Okay. Can I wrap this one? Then go for A to B4. A to B4. Suppose A2 means this is A to B4 when dissolved in water. How many A's here we have? 2 A plus. How many B? 4. That is B minus, suppose. Now write, this is P expression, this is Q expression. Clear? Now P power P means 2 power 2 and 4 power 4, am I right? And S power 2 plus 4 means 6, am I right? 2 4 means what it is? KSP, am I right? KSP. KSP is equals 2 square means 4. Clear? And here it is 4 power 4 means, let's see, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, am I right? 4 4 ja 16, 64 into 4, 256, am I right? 256 into S power 6, so 256 into 4, okay. Thousand 24, am I right? 1024 S power 6, am I right? Let's calculate AB4. AB4. AB4 is given, which is called solid, and H2O. How many A's here we have? 1. A plus. How many B's? 4. Minus, clear. Now KSP is equals 1 power 1 into 4 power 4 into S power 1 plus 4, how much? 5. Clear? So 1 power 1, 1. 4 power 4 means 256 S whole power 5, am I right? For A3B4, A3B4, this is A3B4 solid H2O. How many A's here we have? Taken as plus. This is 4, that is B minus. Clear? From this one KSP equals to how much? 3. This is P and this is Q. And this is P, this is Q. Am I right? P power P means 3 power 3. Q power Q means 4 power 4. Okay? That is the cost. That it is S. 3 plus 4 means 7. Am I right? 3 power 3 means 27. 256. S power 7. Am I right? Now multiply with this. 256 into 27. 6912, clear? 6912 into S power 7. A3B4 salt is given. What is the solubility product salt solubility relation? This is the solubility relations. Okay. Now you have an idea. If we given any molecule, we can able to calculate this expression. Okay. Next, go to common ion effect on solubility of sparingly soluble salt. So we already discussed about this. Common ion effect means, suppose this is the weak electrolyte, how it is ionized, CH3COO minus H plus, am I right? Now I would like to add CH3COO Na. How it is ionized? It is single reaction, no reversible, strong electrolyte, not reversible. This is weak electrolyte or weak acid, weak electrolyte. CH3COO minus Na plus, am I right? These are the reactants clearly. What about this one? Product, am I right? At the product side, acetate ion concentration is increases. So in the both compound, which is the common ion? Acetate ion is the common ion. In the both compound, which one is the common ion? Acetate ion. So at the product side, concentration is high, then the reaction takes place towards reactant side. If according to de Chaudière principle, if we increase the concentration of the product at product side, so acetate ions are higher or not? That means product concentration is higher or not? High. Then the equilibrium or the direction of the reaction shift towards the reactant side. That means which component is try to form? Acetic acid is formed. That means actually in this direction dissociation takes place. That means solubility. Okay, am I right? So when we add the common ion, what happened? So the reaction moves towards back. That means acetic acid is formed. Actually it is undergoes dissociation, but by adding one common ion, what happened? The reaction takes place backward. That means we can prevent the dissociation of acetic acid or not? We can prevent the dissociation of acetic acid. In the forward direction we prevent by adding the acetate ion. Am I right? So that means solubility decreases or not? Solubility decreases. Simply you can write by the common ion, solubility is decreased. Solubility is decreased. Clear? Everyone? I will explain with example. Okay. Next, write the question. Is it clear, ma, up to all of you? Everyone? Write the question. KSP of AgCl is 10 power minus 10 and KSP of CaF2 is 4 into 10 power minus 12. Which salt is more soluble? Which salt is more soluble? Soluble means, so what it is? First condition, solution. He given KSP of AgCl, am I right? Given KSP of AgCl is how much? 10 power minus 10. Now which type of molecule it is? AB type molecule, am I right? AB type salt, am I right? For AB type salt, what is the formula? KSP is equals to S square, am I right? Shortcut. KSP equals S square. Okay. Why? Because AgCl is dissolved and gives Ag plus Cl minus. What are the answer? 1 1. So 1 power 1, 1 power 1 S 1 plus 1 S square. KSP equals to how much? Just we discussed about that. KSP equals S square. Why? Because AgCl is AB type salt. Now from this we need solubility. S is equals square root of KSP, am I right? From this one, KSP is equals to 1 by 2, am I right? That is S. From this one, S equals what is the value of KSP given that in the problem? 10 power minus 10. So 10 power minus 10 whole power 1 by 2, am I right? So 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, am I right clearly? That is 10 power minus 5. S is equals. What is the solubility for AgCl? Mole for liter, clear up to for the first case. Come to second one, CaF2. Second one, KSP of CaF2. CaF2, how much is given? That is clearly 4 into 10 power minus 2, am I right? Sorry, 10 power minus 12. Clear? So now what type of salt it is? AB2 type, am I right? AB2 type salt, am I right? Clear? So now how it is ionized? A plus 2B minus, am I right? Quotient 1. Why? Because it is 1. Now these are the P and Q, am I right? Now KSP expression 1 power 1 into 2 power 2 S 1 plus 2, am I right? That is 4 into S cube KSP. Okay, here we need S value. S equals to how much? Cube root of KSP by 4, am I right? So he given already KSP value. That is cube root means, can I write this expression as KSP by 4 whole power 1 by 3. Clear? Now what is KSP here? 4 into 10 power minus 12 by 4, am I right? Whole power 1 by 3. 4 1 ja 4. So 10 power minus 12 means it is clearly 10 power minus 4. So S equals to how much? 10 power minus 4 liter. Now compare the both solubilities of AgCl and CaF2. So which one is right? 10 power minus 4 is greater than 10 power minus 5, am I right? So therefore solubility of CaF2 is more than solubility of AgCl. Therefore CaF2 is more soluble. That is the phenomena. Now do you have an idea what kind of problems we may face in the examination? Clear? Write it down. Just a short trick we have. Okay? What I explained before this class. Next. So very important problem. Next one. Solubility product of AgCl is 10 power minus 10. Here we have two questions. Then calculate its solubility in pure water. In pure water, that is the first question. In the second question, calculate the solubility of AgCl in 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution when added. Okay, very important expression this is. Okay, now how common ion effect, in this case we discuss. By the common ion effect, the solubility of this sparingly soluble salt is decreases very much. Okay, now we will discuss it. Okay, are you following or not, students? Everyone? Is there any doubt? Let's see. Solution for first one. For the first one, what he given? KSP is given. Clear, am I right? What it is? 10 power minus 10. Calculate its solubility in pure water. Now what is its solubility in pure water? Now what type of salt is given? AgCl is AB type, am I right? AB type salt. So what is the expression? KSP is equals S square, am I right? S square or not? S square. This from S equals to how much? Square root of KSP. What about given KSP? 10 power minus 10. What happened here? 10 power minus 10, 4 power 1 by 2. That is 10 power minus 5 mole per liter. Clear? In pure water, what is the solubility? That means the equation related AgCl salt in pure water is reversible. Ag plus Cl minus. What are the coefficients? 1, 1. Clear, ma? So now what is the solubility? 10 power minus 5. For this expression, KSP is given 10 power minus 10. Okay? So in this case, the solubility is 10 power minus 5. So now what is the solubility of AgCl in pure water here? Tell me. Clearly 10 power 5 minus 5 mole per liter. Now this is in a beaker, suppose we assumed. In pure water it is. This is pure water. Now inside we add, what we add? AgCl, am I right? AgCl. When we dissolve AgCl, what is the solubility? How much quantity of AgCl is soluble? 10 power minus 4 mole per liter quantity is dissolved in that water. The remaining one is precipitate, 10 power minus 4. Now we add silver nitrate in the second question. Come to second question solution. Now calculate the solubility of HCl in 0.1 molar AgNO3 solution when we added. So now we add AgNO3. What is the concentration? 0.1 molar. Concentration means your solubility. Remember that. Okay. Let's see the solution for this one. Calculate the solubility of HCl in 0.1 molar AgNO3 solution when we add. So already it has solubility 10 power minus 5. So if we add 0.1 molar concentration of silver nitrate solution, is there any change in the solubility? That means is increase or decreases? Let's see it. So now in that beaker, what is the first equation? AgCl is solid, is in pure water, Ag plus and Cl minus, am I right? Clear? Now suppose its solubility is S, here it is 1 and it is S and S, am I right? Clear? Now we add AgNO3. AgNO3 means in water it is completely ionized, completely dissolved. Remember this, completely dissolved, strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte. Already we discussed, all nitrates are well dissolved, already we discussed initially. Okay, now it gives Ag plus NO3 minus, am I right? So what is its concentration is given? 0.1 means it is 1 into 0.1, 1 into 0.1, am I right? Clear? Now here clearly, what is the common ion in this? Both salt Ag plus and Ag plus are common ion. At the product side, Ag plus is increases or not? That means reaction moves towards AgCl. That means it gives AgCl product as PPT. Actually it is dissociated as Ag plus and Cl minus. But when we add silver nitrate solution, what happened? At product side, concentration of Ag plus is increases. Then what happened? Automatically the reaction moves towards backs. Towards backs means which component is formed here? AgCl. Okay, so AgCl is a solid, it is a precipitate. That means solubility is decreased or not. If it is well soluble, what happened? It gives Ag plus and Cl minus. Clear? But the reaction takes place reversible. So that means it gives AgCl again. AgCl is a PPT. Am I right clearly? Okay, so solubility is decreases by the common ion effect. Clearly? So let's see how it is. Now in this reaction, what is the total concentration of Ag plus? Here S and plus 0.1. Clear all of you? Now this is only equilibrium, this is not. Okay? Total at equilibrium S 0.1 is added here. Now Ksp expression, how much? Ksp expression, that is Ag plus, clear all of you, and Cl minus for this only, Ag plus. Now concentration at equilibrium, S plus 0, we add 0.1 concentration, solubility. Am I right? For Cl minus how much it is? S. Okay. So what we discussed, when we add common ion, its solubility is decreases or not? Solubility decreases or not? That means we can able to neglect this value or not here. Now this is equal to how much ma? Ksp is already given. How much it is? 10 power minus 10. In the problem already we given Ksp for AgCl. Before we add electron 10 power minus 10. So here S is the solubility of AgCl, am I right? But when we add AgNO3, that means 0.1 molar concentration, by the common effect its solubility is decreases or not? Solubility also decreases. Why? Because it gives precipitation. That means solubility decreases. Solubility decreases means S value is compared with 0.1 is less or not? Less. So in this case it is negligible or not? When comparing with 0.1, S value is negligible or not? Let's see how it is. What is the solubility here? 10 power minus 5 for AgCl. Clear? Now what about silver nitrate solution 0.1? Now 0.1 is very high than 10 power minus 5, am I right? So it is negligible or not? So that thing here happened. So when comparing with 0.1, solubility of AgCl is very less, 10 power minus 5. Is it negligible or not? Negligible. Clear? So now it is Ksp is equals 0.1 into S. Clear all of you? Everyone? Now that is equals to how much? 10 power minus 10, am I right? From this one, what is the value of S? 10 power minus 10 by 0.1. So from this one it is equals 10 power minus 9 mole per liter. 10 power minus 9 mole per liter. After adding AgNO3, the solubility of AgCl is 10 power minus 9. That means is it increases or decreases? Initially, before adding any common ion, the solubility of AgCl in the first case is 10 power minus 5. In the second problem, we add silver nitrate solution. Then what about the solubility 10 power minus 9? So which one is high? 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 9. Which one is more value? 10 power minus 5. That means after adding silver nitrate solution, its solubility is decreases or not? That is 10 power minus 9. That means by the common ion effect, the solubility of the salt is decreases and it make as precipitation. Clear? Everyone? So write it this expression. What is the solubility before? 10 power minus 5. After adding silver nitrate, what is the solubility of HCl? 10 power minus 9. Therefore, solubility is decreases. That is the common ion effect. Simple. By adding common ion effect, the solubility decreases. Such kind of problems we have in JEE Mains and NEET. So focus on very much. Concentration with little. So this is about solubility and solubility product. That means we expect a bit from this topic also. Okay students, we will discuss on tomorrow. I think it takes 1 or 2 days. So it is chemical equilibrium in that molecular ionic equilibrium and acid and bases. It's a big unit. Okay, I think we are at the end of the session. So it takes 2 more classes. Then we will go for the 1 more unit. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. So having very much attention to prepare JEE and NEET, especially senior students and coming seniors have to focus on this concept, at least covered first year syllabus again. Okay, so groups you have to prepare in our material, that's very better. At least follow the bits one by one. If is there any doubt, send it me in my WhatsApp group. I will explain and send the solution. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you very much.